Hi, welcome to Ewan Bramley Dental Care. We're going to do a couple of treatments this morning for two of my favourite men in my life, Ewan and my brother Nick. I've done a lot of Profhilo for patients, for lady patients at practice, but as yet I haven't sort of tapped into the male market, and this is a little experiment to see if the boys like Profhilo. So Profhilo is basically an injectable hydration treatment. It's packed with minerals and vitamins and light enhancing agents, and it basically gives the skin a bit of a glow, and it addresses fine lines and restores very subtly a bit of loss of volume as you get older. So it's one treatment a day, another treatment in a month, and then after that it's every 4 months to maintain it. So here we go. We're going to start with Ewan, and he's very happy about this, as you can see.
I love facial symbols.
And so does my brother. Okay, here we go. So
we're volunteers.
Profhilo comes in a 2 ml syringe. Profhilo is hyaluronic acid, very similar in product to other fillers, but the way it's made is totally different. It's not cross-linked, and so it's not structured in the same way as fillers that you would use, say, for lips or for cheeks. It's very fluid and very slick, and it goes just underneath the skin and then sort of spreads underneath the skin and provides sort of the brightening and the hydration just subdermally.
So I'm not going to look plastic fantastic.
You're certainly not going to look
I hope I don't look plastic fantastic.
So really, it's just intense moisture. You put 5 per side of the face. There's 5 spots where you inject. So we'll pop the marks on Ewan's face. So I have my little ruler. Where is it? So I'm not taught. So it's
measuring the size of my ears.
a centimetre from the tragus. It's the jawline and just on the corner there. You do mid-cheek, so mid-pupil. Open your eye. That's it. And then you do 2 centimetres down from the eye. And then you do the tricky one, which is the one on the chin, which is 1.5 centimetres, 1/3 down from the midline. This one tends to be a bit of a nippy injection. I'll just mark you on the side, my love. Avoid a bit of mince. So we've marked Ewan's face up, so we're ready to inject. So we've got a 2 ml syringe. We put in 0.2, obviously into each side. So we'll just need to get Ewan comfortable. Just put him back a bit. And down a little bit. And then we'll go for it. So if you just pop your head over towards Jenny, that's it. So, sharp scratch Ewan. Just under the skin, lift the needle tip up. And slowly put the product in, because obviously it stretches the skin and it can be a little uncomfortable when you. So you can see the product sits just visibly. You need to be able to see it. I usually put my finger there to stop it travelling towards the eye. Alright?
Yeah, I'm loving it.
Medial injections tend to be a little bit nippier. Alright? That's it. Let's put a little bit of cream on. You're not meant to massage the lumps.
Cream?
But just cream. But I tend to just gently give them a little rub there. But they tend tend to go down over the next 3-4 hours.
Bloody hell.
Probably sooner.
Hey,
There you go.
thanks very much, darling.